And then, now listen, now hear me out. You know there was an earthquake in North Carolina this week, right? So the crust that we sit on, the edges, this is crazy, man. I don't know, I'm not putting anything in your head. I'm just saying, you know how you are. You're just open, right? So you just open and take it all in and make your own decision. But you follow that crust plate all the way around, and that's where all the fires are, including Mexico. And then North Carolina just had an earthquake the other day. I think it was a 3. I think it was very small, but. And now one of Hawaii's volcanoes just erupted. What the theory is there is that the crust is so broke up now that the heat and I don't know if it's magma, I don't know. I mean, if it was magma, you'd think you'd see it punch through, but the tremendous heat coming up on those cracks in the crust are setting the roots on fire, and that's what sparked all this stuff because the plate's shifting so much. I don't know, man. I mean, that's a good theory. You got me hook, line, and sinker on that one. When you get earthquakes in North Carolina and, volcanoes blowing up in the ring of fire and all this other stuff going on, and now you got all these fires that are kind of almost on the line of the plate crust. Very interesting. Whoever came up with that theory is pretty good because that's pretty convincing to me. So, I don't know. Shoot, man. I don't know. Thank goodness for the good book, and that's about it, I guess. But, I don't know what we're going to get into, man. I told you I've been back in this antique gig again. Motor. And, just picked up a, early 1900s, streetcar whistle, and I plumbed it up to my compressor, and I have it mounted on a post in the driveway. So when the kids come over, the boys like trains, man. They are just, fascinated with trains. And I have that small N-scale set here that's, in the backdrop and the whole 9 yards. And so I tell everybody I got it for them, but really it's for me. But so when they come over, they can blow the whistle. So, okay. I love my antiques, and I don't collect anything specific per se, but I always find some kind of unique stuff, so we are kind of excited to get to go over there, probably see what kind of, I've seen some pretty interesting stuff over there, really nice sign stuff, old antique stuff, so I don't think I need any more. Brian and I were going to try to go to that Washington Antiques Fair the end of May, but it rained, so we didn't get to go. I need to redo my collection again, get rid of some of the stuff I don't mess with anymore. Like I've got 3 or 4 console radios, and I can't even tell you how many wood grain radios I have collected, and I don't play them all, and I got some duplicates of some, and I want to get rid of that stuff, but here I am, back out looking for more stuff, I don't know, man. One man's trash is another man's trash. So that's all that's going on. I got to head back to Bristol next week for a couple days. I got some big clients coming down, and I wasn't going to be able to make it, but now I guess I am. So. And you know what? I did see. I usually leave the receiver on in the other shack. I was getting ready to go to sleep, and I did see some activity up here. I didn't stop to see who it was, but that's good, man. Good for you guys. I was like, I got on 20 and was working as VKs, 1 in the morning. I never dreamed it. I'd be, working anybody past the West Coast at that time. But that was kind of fun. Little Am DX. So, yeah, good for you guys. That's way too late for me, man. 10, 11, 12 o'clock. Normally I'm at the sheets here in a half hour, but weekends off or whatever, yeah, I'll get in there and mix it up with you guys if I can stay awake. That's the thing, man. And then that's the other thing. I get up at, that's what I did. I ended up going to bed early and got up. I got up at like 11:30 or something. And I saw activity there. So I was like, wow, what's going on here? Did these guys go to bed? So that was cool. Good for you guys, man. That's what it's about. If you don't use it, you'll lose it. You know that. So good for you guys. I figured Brown has showed up. K3SQP, KB3RHR.